Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a sewing machine that's Japanese brand called Juki. I bought it from Amazon. Okay, let's open this box. This is an introduction DVD and manual version. You can see it, look. Okay, let's open this spongy and it's appeared the sewing machine. It looks convenient, small. And this is a miniature paddle. It seems to have enough functions for me to start as I'm gonna make fancy clothes. I think this is a trusted brand because I also researched many brands on the internet and end up with Juki brand. So I think it's cool. Although this is the brand in Japan, but it was made in Vietnam. So I think its quality is enough for me as I am a starter